Maya-maya pa, ibinatawag ni Kuya ang mga teens sa confession room.
Teen housemates, nais kong bigyan kayo ng pagkakataon upang maipaabot ang inyong mensahe doon sa kabila. Sino ba sa inyo ang may gustong dalhin at basahin sa harapan nila ang inyong mensahe?
Para masabi ko, do you want to do it?
Si Fiang daw po, kuya.
Si Fiang naghanda na para muling makaharap ang adult housemates.
Official na to. Oh.
To my boy Binsoy from Jaren.
I hope I didn't say anything that really offended you, and I hope you didn't take anything to heart. I was just confused when you brought up our backgrounds repeatedly because I know you're not really like that. But I understand that it was a battle, so fair enough, bro. Whatever is on the line, I value our friendship more, brother. And I'm glad we were able to have fun, even though it was a battle.
Love you, my broski.
Siyempre kuya, medyo gumaan po yung pakiramdam ko kuya na yung kay Jaren naman ho about kumbaga sa pagkakaibigan ho naming dalawa kuya.
To Kuya D from Kai.
Bruh, you know I was kidding. Kuya D, you know me and I know you. Those were all for funsies. I know you're not that affected because we both know what we both said to each other ain't the truth.
However, if you were offended, I apologize, Kiddy, truly. I hope you didn't take it to heart.
And also, I have nothing against you. I understand your side and why you said those things to me. Keep dancing.
From JP.
To Kuya JM, hindi ko na sinabihan yung rap mo kasi malaki ang respeto ko sa'yo at sa inyong lahat. Nag-stick na lang ako sa script ko. Ikaw din kasi yung parang kapatid ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya. Yun lang, salamat.
I love you all. Lil Bro JP. To Reina. To our CEO.
Ate Colette, sana you know I love you so much. I didn't mean the things that I have sabi. I have nothing against your panties, bro. I miss you, Sinigang Colette. Hope we still vibe and love you.
Nabawasan po yung bigat po sa akin, kuya, lalong-lalo na po sa mga lines po na binitawan ko po kay Rain, kuya.
To everyone from Rain, I miss you all and I love you so much, bro. Last night was crazy. I can't hintay to kita you all again with my baon na chicas. Hope you still vibing. Like, bro, love you all more. The Jazz. It's from Ali and it's me. I did not expect na magagawa mo yun to me because I thought, we're homies na. Ay, simba ko. Super foul lahat ng sinabi mo. To me, to the point na, ala ka, mami. To the point na din namin mo, fam, education, shooter, and ex. Ko, damn. Lahat ng sinabi ko is basically wala sa script ko because you literally triggered me. And if sinabi ko lahat or sinunod ko yung nasa script ko, so parang ibig sabihin nun, pumayag lang ako na i-insult mo ko. Because lahat ng nasa script ko yesterday is lahat joke. And ayoko kasi ma-hurt yung feelings mo nang dahil sa isang rap battle lang. If you got offended sa mga sinabi ko, I'm sorry. Pero I don't think na kaya ko pang ibalik kung ano yung na-build natin. For real. I'm really sorry, Jazz. JM, it's for me. I thought we're homies, like real. I just want you to let you know that I'm very happy that we have some same humors, you know what I mean, haha. But like, I want to say sorry too, kasi I'm very clingy type of girl to the point that some people may misunderstood my attitude. Thank you, but I think it's better na sinabi ko or sabihin ko to. For me, I promise it won't happen again. To everyone, it's from me, Ali Pretty. I hope next time, or I hope na hindi niyo naman misunderstood yung attitude ko because that's the real me. That's the real Fiang. You all a very clingy type of girl whenever she feels like home is her home. But yeah, you know, I miss you all and I love you, but yeah. And yeah, I don't like JM. He's my best man.
Kuya, dito sa bahay mo po, kuya, sa loob ng bahay mo, si JM po ay aking best friend. Sa kanya lang po ako komportable mag-open.
I love you, Jazz. Let's just talk after mo. Pretty me. Thank you,
Miss you, Fiang.